Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting an exciting journey into the world of technology. We'll be looking at computer networks. This is going to be fun to learn. So let's get connected. What is a network? First, what exactly is a network? Simply put, it's a group of devices connected together to share information instantly. Think about your home, your mobile, laptop, and smart TV are all talking to your Wi Fi router. That connection is a network. The art of networking. Now, don't confuse network with networking. Networking is the action or the process of linking those devices. Imagine your school lab when the teacher links all the computers to one single printer so everyone can use it. That's networking in action. Network categories. Networks are everywhere. We have the internet for YouTube and Google, telephone networks for our calls and cable TV, and even satellite networks that allows us to watch a live cricket match happening on the other side of the world. The computer network system. Specifically, a computer network is a group of computers and peripheral devices linked by wires or wireless signals. Remember, you need at least two devices to form a network. This setup usually includes a powerful file server and several workstations where students like you do your work. Data communication flow. How does data actually move? It needs four things: a sender like you on WhatsApp, a message, your text or photo, a medium, the path like Wi Fi or cables, and a protocol, which are the rules that make sure the data is understood. So, my dear learners, today we have learned what is a network, the art of networking, network categories, computer network system, data communication flow. I hope you understood everything clearly. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for more learning videos. See you in the next video. This is just the beginning. The next part of computer network is coming soon. Stay connected, keep exploring and keep learning.